welcome everyone. In this video, we'll learn 5 most used formula in Excel. Okay, so alright. Here's the raw data sheet which I created to use to do total and examples. Okay, I believe that formula here and okay. So the first formula we learned is sum formula. Okay, over here, right is equal to sum sum and bracket open. You can open the bracket with the shift and 9. Open the bracket and now select this cell, then another cell and another cell. Now the bracket close with shift with 0, then enter. Now your total amount is here, which is 1537. 1537 is the total amount, 324 225 and 988. Now we have to put the formula each and every cell. No, we are not going to do this. We drag this mouse over here. Oh no. Drag the mouse. Okay.